Okay, except for gluing in the front grille, the T-Bird is complete. It's kit bash from two junk kits that I found. I gotta put the front grille on. It is a beast, and it runs pretty cool. I'll post a video probably this evening doing some laps with it on the track. I wanted to show you how I mounted the body. Back here in the back, this framework is just tongue depressors. And those two brass tabs I soldered onto the chassis there, and a couple of small screws. And then in the front, I did some piano wire. It's a little crooked right now. Let me straighten it out. It's some piano wire. Drilled a hole in the frame of the body there, and then just ran the piano wire into the channels of the chassis. And the bumper will go over that, so you won't even see it. And to release the body, you just take out the back two screws and slide the chassis back off of those. And same thing when you put it back on. And they're kind of like spring loaded, right? Okay, so that's that. So yeah, just gotta put the bumper on, and it will be complete. It's a beast. See ya. Bye.